OK Google， 请开启 YouTube 影片神元山庄义和圣堂。很快呢，很快就显示在荧幕上，就是这部影片了。然后马上按了就可以看影片了。手机语音助理真好用啊，比那个网址栏到 Google 网页网址栏搜寻打网址都还要快啊！高效率我们要办道科学化，修道古老化，但是办道要科学化。只有修道没有办道，哪有功德？天上没有无功无德的仙佛，只有办道不修道，也可能会入魔道了。因为身心灵没有精进，修道是要守戒律、守佛规。净身口意三业。附近社子村镇安宫，就是福慧双修，慧就是修道，福就是要办道，所以要福慧双修达到圆满。
乌山头水库风景区。
这个用电脑报图程式在把它做好 BALAT
12345楼级
LKA
Floor 12345N 地下室与厨房、餐厅
BOL
Basement and Kitchen Dining Room
这个电脑程序来逐字念，会念中英文。还有下载其他
供奉五大菩萨
语音程式、语音的档案的话，还可以念日文啊、韩文啊，有的还可以念客家语的、古代汉语的、洋语、高雅典雅。那个还有什么土番就是西藏语，还有广东话。
参访联谊。
还有外国语，还可以再研究看看。直接用 Google 翻译，在电脑版的Google 网页搜寻 Google 翻译的话，在上面直接选择语言输出，比如说输入英文，然后再转出日文、韩文、泰文、越南文、西班牙文、菲律宾文、其他的国家的外文。这样从英文到外文，这样比较准确。
特色感想 Characteristic Reflection 义和圣堂是合法申请建造的。Yuho Holy Temple is legal to apply for building to make. 建筑很宏伟。The building is very magnificent. 建筑外观，中国传统宫殿式建筑。The building's appearance is Chinese traditional palace type. 由道清设计，诚心，同心建成。It was designed by top members, was sincere, concentrate to establish. 慈心亭弥勒园。TSC Shape Pavilion Madriga Garden. 由菲律宾到清捐款新建的 were constructed by the donation of Philippine DAO members. 入道之门及选圣道场 Door of entering truth and Tao society of choosing sake. 山门特色及对联 The characteristic of temple door and poetry in pairs. 期望圣域显观Expectation, holy region and place of wise person. 3600圣，48000贤。3600 sages, 48000 wise persons are here. 五圣宫供奉五大菩萨。五 great bodhisattvas consecrated by 5 sage temple. 大慈大悲大智大愿大行菩萨。Are named great, love, great, sympathetic heart, great, wisdom, great, wish, great, behavior bodhisattvas. 附近社子村镇安宫。Nearby there are Shi, TC Village Zen and Temple。台南艺术大学 National Tainan University of the Arts。乌山头水库风景区 Wu Shan Tou Reservoir Scenery District。天坛吊桥 Heaven Platform Suspension Bridge。创建者已故陈前人，一手大罗仙的家乡关田乡社子村。The creator of Yuho Holy Temple is Senior Elder Chen, named Justice, guarding, great, immortal after God. His hometown is Wangtian Township, TC Village. 一楼后天佛堂大佛像。The Big Buddha carvings at General Palace of the EST floor. 由数千年大神木雕刻成 are carved by supernatural wood which were thousands of years old. 弥勒祖师济公活佛观世音菩萨像 Name Maitreya Buddha Ji Gong Buddha Guang Shuo Yin Bodhisattva. 和老前人史记馆及祖师师尊师母像 The House of Historical Deed of Grand Senior Elder He.And pictures of founder, Patriarch Maitreya, Patriarch Jen, Matriarch Su. 新义三贤张秋圣老前人 Pictures of 三 wise persons of Shining and Grand Senior Elder Jen, Chu, Shen. 集合老前人与陈前人像 And Grand Senior Elder He and Senior Elder Chen.国内外佛堂道场活动照片 Photos of campaigns of domestic and foreign holy temple, Tao Society 圣训文物 Sage Lectures, Relic 一楼有读经教室 There are classrooms of reading, sutra at the first floor